Hi guys, today we'll show you how to make Google Drive files available offline. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Drive app. Once Google Drive is open, we can access your files from the Files section. Now, look at the bottom right side of the screen and tap on Files. You'll see all of your Google Drive files here. So you can find the file you want to make available offline. Find the file that you want to make available offline. Once you find it, look at the right side of that file and tap on the three dots to open its options. After tapping the three dots, you'll see the Make Available Offline option. Tap on it, and the file will be made available for offline access. Once the file has been made available offline, you can open it even when you're offline. This way, you can access that Google Drive file without an internet connection. And that's how you can make Google Drive files available offline. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Solution Lab and comment if you want more Google Drive tutorials.